Hello there. The Shaper dialog makes using shapers and profile spots easy. It can be found in the Special Dialog menu. Open the Add Window dialog, tap Common and then Special Dialog to open the Special Dialog window. Tap the Shapers tab on the left to access the Shaper dialog. When we have a fixture with blades, we can now individually adjust our blades via the dialog. The Point of View bar allows us to adjust the shaper point of view to the actual orientation of the fixture, thus making it more intuitive to manipulate the shaper. What you see is what you get. Good to know is that once this rotation is set, the console will remember it for further use while programming, unless the rotation is reset. The shaper rotation allows us to rotate the shaper module of the fixture. Again, the console will remember this until reset. A bit like an elephant's memory, but more flexible. Toggling the reset bar will give us access to the reset shaper options. When you are totally out of shape, this will reset the blades and the rotation. The reset blades only resets the blades, but not the rotation. The Show Point of View (POV) function displays a fader for manual rotation of the fixture's POV and enables a Reset POV button for convenience. The Mini Faders option adjusts the number of faders displayed. The None option displays no faders. The Full option displays faders for blades and rotation. The Blades option only displays blade faders, while the Rotation option displays rotation faders. We also have link options that define how blades move together. If set to none, each blade moves independently. If set to all, moving one blade moves all blades proportionally. When in parallel mode, opposite blades move in the same direction. If set to mirrored, opposite blades move in mirrored directions. There are two display modes. The graphical mode visualizes the shaper as we've been using it until now, and the fader mode, which will display faders only. Faders will allow for highly precise blade use. Clicking the fader will let you use the calculator to input exact data if needed. We also have access to two control modes. Insert plus rotation mode will allow us to adjust insertion depth of the blade and rotation. The A+B mode will control the shapers via the blade corners. When using the Shaper dialog, the encoder bar automatically updates to show shaper encoder bar functions. These adapt based on the selected control mode. We hope this feature will help you shape your future, or at least the beams in it. Happy programming!